Brighton studio. So that was the hallway of the building. This is the entrance of the studio. All right, it's got a little hole there to see who's on the other side of the door. Got a pretty shallow coat closet as soon as we walk in. Okay. Good size foyer. Can set up a coat stand or a little table. So yeah, no, that's a good size. Good size closet, pretty deep. And again, this is a studio. That is not a living room. That's not trying to pass as a living room, just to be clear. We have the bathroom right here, toilet, sink, tub, and shower combo. The vanity right over there. Okay. You do have this curtain here. And between the bathroom and the kitchen, it looks like we have a couple of drawers here. A linen closet, probably. Yep. Okay, and into the kitchen. Kitchen, really not bad. Not bad at all for a kitchen. Pretty updated. That is a dishwasher. Nice Formica countertops. Good sized gas stove. More cabinets up top. More counter space. All right, and this unit looks like it has a, which is a very, very unique feature to find with studio apartments here in Boston. It's technically the fire escape, but I don't think anybody's gonna hold it against you for, you know, setting up a couple of chairs there. Got a pretty killer view. All right. This way is Commonwealth Avenue. That way is Brighton Avenue. Back into the kitchen. And then the other nice thing about this place is just the amount of sunlight you're getting. I just turned on the lights, but you can't even, doesn't even make a difference because the sunlight's just bursting in. So yeah, this is a pretty nice studio. Got another closet right here. Lots of space for a studio. There's laundry in the building. You're close to the green line, heat and hot water included. What are you waiting for? Jump on it. If you need more info, just reach out to Angel over at Leopold McMaster's Realty. All right, and hope you enjoy the video tour. Have a good one.